Okay, here we go. We got a long position right here. Let's get us to 5 contracts here on oil. We're bouncing right off this zone line right here. Uh, let's put our execution in here and we got our stop. We'll keep our stop at 10 to 12, profit target at 15 ticks. I think we'll keep it at 15 and we'll start creeping in our stop as the trade progresses or we get stopped out. So here we go. Again, oil's $10 a tick times we're in what 5 contracts, uh, and then we're going for $10 a tick, 15 ticks. Okay, so with that said, we're bouncing off of our Archer zone lines here. I have our profit target just right above the blue target on the right on our 2-minute chart. That's going to act as a tiny bit of a resistance level for a pullback. Um, but it shouldn't be too much. I mean, price really should continue up. This is a fairly good bounce right here, more than likely, but I don't think it's going to be a follow through to a new high. Uh, so with that said, we're still at our break even point right here. We're using NinjaTrader. Again, I recommend everyone come to our free live market sessions. And this is just a demonstration of what our software looks like. Uh, you know, how the leverage works with these. If you're unfamiliar with futures contracts, especially oil, it kind of works. If you're familiar with the Russell 2000, it uh, kind of in the same ballpark as that as far as volatility, etc. Um, anyway, getting back to this, looks like it's finally taken off a little bit in our direction. I'll be moving our kind of creeping our stop in uh, to just kind of protect us a little bit from anything that could go awry. Right now, we're keeping it in at 10 ticks at 78. I'll bring it in a little bit here to let's say 81, 82, 80. Uh, and then I'll be running this up to break even here pretty quick. Uh, we've got a nice little bounce here. Again, we got 2 hits off of our zone line. And that really is a good indication things are going to continue in this direction, at least for a short while. Again, I don't think this is going to be a good follow through to a new high or anything like that. This is more of just a kind of a little scalp play. It's not a position play. Um, I think we're heading into a new, we'll be heading into a new trend down, but we hasn't quite established that yet. Um our uh, our 10-minute charts on the left, you can see that our trend line is still in the up, but however, it's starting to turn over. So it's looking to me like we are in the beginning of a downtrend. Let's go to break even here. Okay, we're at break even, so really not too much of anything bad can happen to us here. Either we hit our profit target or we get stopped out. And I've been stopped out in this situation plenty of times. It is what it is. So, but we just keep it here, and you don't budget, and whatever the cards fall is where they fall. So we're in about as good a shape as we want it can be in at this point. Okay, so I'm thinking one more little push. I'm almost positive we're going to hit profit target here. 3210. There you go. 750 on 5 contracts. All right, that we're on these zone. There's the little target I was talking about, and